Did you know that from space, Earth is the only known planet to glow with the vibrant hue of life? That's right. Our precious Earth, when viewed from the cosmic depths, appears not as a dull, lifeless rock, but as a shimmering blue sphere. This mesmerizing blue tint is no accident. It's the result of sunlight being reflected and scattered by our planet's atmosphere and oceans. Now, let's take a brief look at our planetary neighbors for comparison. Mars, for instance, is often referred to as the red planet due to iron oxide or rust on its surface, giving it a reddish appearance. Then there's Venus, enveloped in thick clouds that reflect sunlight, causing it to shine brightly, and yet none of them exhibit the captivating blue that is a signature of our Earth. Indeed, Earth is truly a blue marble, a beacon of life amidst the vast cosmos. Earth, unlike its neighboring planets, teems with life, an estimated 8.7 million species. This is no small number, and it paints a vibrant picture of the biological richness of our planet. From the tiniest microorganisms, invisible to the naked eye, to the largest mammals like the majestic blue whale, life on Earth is incredibly diverse. Imagine the multitude of creatures that inhabit the deep, dark abyss of the ocean floor, creatures that have never seen sunlight, yet thrive in the crushing pressure and cold. Then consider the microcosms of life found in a single droplet of pond water, a bustling city of microscopic organisms, each playing their part in the dance of life. On the land, the variety is no less staggering. The towering giraffe, the swift cheetah, the industrious ant, and the delicate butterfly, each creature is a testament to the planet's ability to nurture life in all its forms. But life does not only thrive in the obvious places. It also persists in the most inhospitable environments you can imagine. The scorching heat of desert sands, the freezing cold of polar ice, the acidic waters of volcanic springs, even the thin oxygen-starved heights of the highest mountains. Earth's unique capacity to support life extends beyond its creatures. The planet is home to a multitude of ecosystems and habitats, from lush rainforests and expansive grasslands to coral reefs and Arctic tundra. Each of these habitats offers a unique set of conditions for life to flourish. These ecosystems, in turn, contribute to the delicate balance of the biosphere. They recycle nutrients, regulate climate, purify air and water, and provide countless other services that sustain life on Earth. In a universe that appears, for the most part, inhospitable to life, Earth stands out as a beacon of vitality. It's not just a rock spinning around a star, it's a living, dynamic entity. This abundance and variety of life forms make Earth a living, breathing biosphere, unlike any other place in the known universe. Earth sits comfortably in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life to exist. This zone, aptly named after the fairy tale character, is a region of space where conditions are just right for a planet to support life. It's like the sweet spot in a cosmic game of baseball. In this zone, a planet is the perfect distance from its star. It's not so close that all water would evaporate from the scorching heat, nor so far that all water would freeze in the bitter cold. Instead, it's in a place where water can exist in liquid form, a vital ingredient for life as we know it. This is where Earth has the home field advantage. We are perfectly positioned in our solar system's Goldilocks zone, the only place where life's complex dance can play out. In this perfect balance, Earth nurtures life, a testament to the delicate harmony of the universe. Did you know that as you sit watching this video, you are spinning at a speed of 1,000 miles per hour? Yes, it's true. Our planet Earth is in constant motion, and it's this motion that shapes our everyday lives in ways we often take for granted. Let's start with the Earth's rotation. Picture a spinning top whirling around on its axis. That's what our Earth is doing every single moment of every single day. This rotation is what gives us our cycle of day and night. As the Earth rotates, different parts of it face the sun, soaking up its light and warmth. This creates the sensation of day. As those parts continue to rotate away from the sun, they are plunged into relative darkness, creating the night. It's a beautifully synchronized dance between the Earth and the sun, one that's been choreographed over billions of years. But the Earth's rotation is just one part of its motion. The Earth is also orbiting around the sun at an average speed of 67,000 miles per hour. This orbit is what gives us our yearly cycle of seasons. As the Earth travels around the sun, Its tilt causes different parts of the planet to receive different amounts of sunlight at different times of the year. This variation in sunlight is what creates our seasons, from the blooming flowers of spring to the falling leaves of autumn. So, while we may not feel it, we are always on the move. Every second we're spinning and orbiting, traveling through space on our beautiful blue planet. It's a journey that's been going on for over 4.5 billion years, and one that will continue for billions more. It's a journey that we are all a part of, whether we realize it or not. So remember, even when you're sitting still, you're always on the move on this spinning planet. Our Earth has its own invisible shield, the magnetic field that protects us from harmful solar radiation. This intangible wall, this cosmic force field, is largely responsible for the existence of life as we know it. Let's delve into this a bit more. The magnetic field of our planet is generated deep within its core. It's a complex process involving the movement of molten iron and nickel, which creates electric currents. These currents in turn generate a magnetic field, which extends out into space, creating what we call the magnetosphere. Now you might be wondering, why is this magnetic field so important? Well, it serves as our primary defense against solar wind, a stream of charged particles emanating from the sun. This solar wind is potent, and without the magnetic field it could strip away our atmosphere, rendering Earth barren and lifeless, much like our neighbor Mars. But that's not all. This magnetic field also gives us one of the most breathtaking natural phenomena we can witness, the auroras. You've probably seen pictures or videos of these mesmerizing light shows dancing across the polar skies. These are not mere random spectacles of beauty, but the result of the interaction between our magnetic field and solar wind. When charged particles from the sun collide with the magnetosphere, they are funneled towards the poles. As they descend into the Earth's atmosphere, they collide with oxygen and nitrogen atoms, causing them to light up and create these stunning displays of color. So the next time you gaze up at the night sky and marvel at the stars, or if you're lucky enough to witness the auroras, remember the invisible shield that keeps us safe. It's a testament to the intricate balance of nature, the cosmic dance of forces that allows us to thrive on this beautiful blue marble we call home. Earth, our home, is a unique and vibrant planet in the vast cosmos. It's a blue marble, distinct among the celestial bodies of our solar system. It shines bright with a blue hue, a testament to the vast oceans that cover about 70% of its surface. These waters, teeming with life, paint our planet blue, making it an oasis of life in the vast, dark expanse of space. Our planet teems with life, not just in the oceans, but on land and in the air. The diversity of life on Earth is staggering, from the smallest microorganisms to the largest creatures that roam our lands and seas. This diversity is a testament to the planet's ability to support life, a characteristic that is yet to be found elsewhere in the cosmos. Earth resides in what scientists call the Goldilocks zone, a region around the sun that is just right. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for life as we know it to exist. This perfect position, coupled with our planet's unique atmosphere, allows for a stable climate and the necessary conditions for life to thrive. Our planet is in constant motion. It spins on its axis, creating the cycle of day and night, and orbits the sun, giving us our seasons. These systematic movements bring rhythm to life on Earth, creating a harmonious balance that shapes and drives the cycles of life. Finally, we are shielded by an invisible protective barrier, the magnetic field. This protective shield deflects harmful solar radiation, keeping our atmosphere intact and preserving the conditions necessary for life. As we continue to explore the universe, let's not forget to appreciate the wonder and beauty of our own planet, Earth. It's not just a place we live, it's a home that nurtures and sustains us. So, as we look up to the stars, let's also take a moment to look down and appreciate the ground beneath our feet. Our home, Earth, is truly a marvel in the cosmos. In